Hey, it's Lane with WinRTSource.com, and if you don't download this, you are crazy. Today we are featuring the absolute, undeniable, best Twitter client available for the Surface. It's called Tweetium. Many of you have already seen Tweetium. We have talked about it on the blog, and it has gotten some traction from other blogs like Windows Phone Central. But if you have not seen this app yet, we absolutely could not pass up the opportunity to feature it here today. To start off with, in the top left corner, you have your navigation. There is a back button when you need to navigate backwards through the app. The compose button. You can attach images and, of course, links, and there is a counter there that tells you how many characters you have left. Next is connect. You all probably know what this is. This lets you see interactions that you've had with other users on Twitter. Sort of a unique feature, news aggregates all of the tweets in your stream that contain links to articles. I want to show you a very interesting feature here, though. Let me find an article that will work with this here. So many times, if there is a link to an article, another one of the developer's apps, Newsine, will actually aggregate or pull the feed from RSS to bring that news article right into the app. Now, depending on a number of factors, mostly it has to do with whether or not the producer of the content will allow the full syndication of their article over RSS, which in this case NeoWin does not. You will be required to open the article on the website to read it, which you can do with a link right there. Or you can tap on web, and it's going to load up the article right within, or essentially load up a web browser right within the application, and you're free to zoom around this so that you can read it more easily. Another interesting feature of Newsine, though, is that you can read articles about the same thing from different sources. You see, I just clicked on a tweet from Tom Warren over at The Verge, and right here it's showing me part of the article from The Verge. I can, of course, go to the web to view the full article here, but I can also see all of these other sources that have published an article on the same topic. That is amazing, and we love that. Of course, tapping on a tweet, you've already seen that expands it, and that gives you the controls that you need: favorite, retweet, quote and retweet, or reply. You can get access to these controls by pressing and holding, or if you are using a mouse and you hover over, you'll be able to see those controls there as well. One of our other favorite features is that you can, if you press and hold, you can actually go ahead and move and sort of sort your home screen so that the things that are most important are first. Of course, you have your Me section here. And finally, you can pin any user to the top of the app there so that you can access those things more easily. There are many different themes built into the app, but I want to show you that the theme is tied not to the app, but it's actually tied to whatever user you're signed in as. So I can sign in as Lane Freeze real quickly here, and as you'll see, I have a different theme. That makes it easy for me to tell if I'm on my own personal account or if I'm tweeting from @WinRTSource very easily. That saves me some time and no doubt has prevented me from sending tweets from the wrong account. There are a number of other features that we want you to see, but we want you to try the app. You can download it from the Windows Store. We will leave a link in the description. Let us know what you think of the app by leaving us a comment there. And if you do like the app, please remember to give us a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.